Social media is today's reality and we cannot do without it. Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, pictures, videos, reels, and guess what? Going live. All this has become our way of life, and there isn't really a choice between doing it and not doing it. The question which matters is that how well we do it. And kudos to our Supreme Court for it. Supreme Court's decision in Swapnil Tripathi vs Union of India 2018 to live stream the Supreme Court proceedings and Supreme Court cases is one such example. A very good afternoon to all. My name is Vandana Yadav, and today we'll be talking about the meaning of live streaming, the practices around the world, the benefits of live streaming of cases of the Supreme Court proceedings, the issues and the concerns which are related to it, the as per the model rules which cases are kept outside the purview of it, and lastly all the 6 states which have started their live streaming in their respective high courts after the Supreme Court gave its nod. So what is the meaning of live streaming? Live streaming is when the streamed video is sent over the internet in real time without being first recorded and stored. That is, there's no chance of editing it. It is being shown as it is. Three-judge bench comprising of Justice Deepak Mishra, Justice A.M. Khanwilkar, and CJI D.Y. Chandrachud. They were listening to a public interest litigation where it was suggested that there should be a live streaming of the Supreme Court proceedings. This was based on the principle of open access to justice. 4 years after hearing of this plea, it was decided in Swapnil Tripathi vs Union of India 2018 that there will be a live streaming of the Supreme Court proceedings of Supreme Court cases. Also under Article 21, right to life and liberty, it was seen that access to justice is also very important to live a life with dignity. On 20th September 2022, the full court of the Supreme Court of India decided to live stream the proceeding of the Constitution benches. Thereafter, on 27th of September 2022, 3 Constitution benches in courtroom numbers 1, 2 and 3 of the Supreme Court sat simultaneously, and the proceedings were live streamed through Supreme Court's webcast as well as through YouTube. It was truly a historic day because according to statistics, more than 8 lakh viewers watched the proceedings of the Constitution benches. The practices around the world. In USA, since 1955, USA has allowed audio recording and transcripts of oral arguments. In UK, proceedings are broadcast live with a 1-minute delay on the court's website. In Brazil, since 2002, live video and audio broadcast of court proceedings are done. In Australia, live or delayed broadcasting is allowed. Canada, proceedings are broadcast live on cable Parliamentary Affairs channel. Let us talk about now the benefits and the issues concerned with it. The issues. If live streaming is done and some unwarranted elements enter, it can be very harmful, so susceptible to abuses. Second is the violation of the fundamental right to privacy. Third is infrastructure. Not everyone in the country has access to internet facilities. Example, like villages, etc. Fourth is lawyer may not be able to perform his best because live streaming is a lot of pressure. Fifth is the culture of sensationalism. Sixth is the commercial aspect of the whole issue. No broadcasting company should get profit out of this whole thing. Let us come to the benefit. It helps litigants follow the proceedings of the cases, assesses the lawyer's performance. It would keep a check on the lawyer's conduct. There would be transparency and access to justice. And most importantly, open courts learnings lead to public confidence in the judiciary, which is very essential for preserving the rule of law in the country. Now, as per the model rules of live streaming and recording of the court proceedings, the following matters are excluded. First is the matrimonial matters. Second is child adoption and child custody, including transfer petitions arising thereunder. Third is cases concerning sexual offences, including proceedings instituted under Section 376 IPC 1860. Fourth is cases concerning gender-based violence against women. Fifth is matters registered under or involving the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1973 or Section 153B of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Sixth is the recording of evidence, including the cross-examination. privileged communications between parties and their advocates, non public discussions between advocates. Coming to the last section of this video, which also can be very important for some of the competitive exams, the 6 states where live streaming is done in their high courts. So, Gujarat High Court was the first high court to live stream its proceedings. And the rest of the 5 states are Patna, Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. So, this was all for today, and I hope that this video was useful. Thank you.